Wes.
This is what my friend.
All of a sudden, cops pull up.
I will kick you where you don't want to be kicked.
That works. That works. That's how you're going about this whole thing. Well, I can't hit you, but you can hit me.
Where you don't want to be kicked.
Oh, watch him come right up. What?
Right behind him, just flat footed. Boom!
Oh, I told you that seat was wet.
You fiddled your pants.
I did. I finished that poop.
Turn around,
earlier.
Jen.
You fiddled your cheek.
Turn around, Jen.
You got a wet butt.
That's a seat.
What?
Right there. What'd you do, pee your pants, Jen?
Yeah.
I think Wes is getting a little butthurt.
He's so fucking nutty.
That kid's gonna go home and be like, what the fuck did you do outside? Wes is going ninja.
Oh, that's how it's gonna go. I thought I didn't think we were gonna talk smack.
I caught that on video. Start circling like, you know. Come on, let's get some circles going.
Ammo.
Oh god.
Water in it too.
I burned it.
That is not cool. No foreign objects.
No foreign objects. Where? Up your butt at, Wes?
Keep that out. It's not a foreign object. You put the cap back on. No, that's not cool.
That's not cool.
Not do that. Cap back on.
Dude, you were rolling around in the grass. I don't think a little water's gonna kill you. Your pants are fucking...
It's my friend.
Either I'm gonna grab it from you and pour it all over you, or you're just gonna toss it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, this kid comes back. Oh god. Oh, I got that. Oh. Darth peanut butter and jelly. He's gonna lose his. Just whack.
Like this, totally. He's got.
Oh my god, that's too funny.
There's some random kids that he does not know.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
What the fuck is he doing? Stop, I'm gonna pee. Stop, I'm gonna pee. Oh, we got a little girl in on it. What the fuck is he doing?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That hurt. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I got dirt on my sandwich.
What is he?
I got dirt on my
Oh my god. You need to record. I love you, John. Oh my god, this is too funny.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Don't forget to zoom out if you need to. Oh my god. Stop. I'm gonna pee. Oh my god. What is he doing?
Oh, you need to close that, honey.
Yeah,
Run, let me see it.
No!
Wait.
I'll get you!
I was just gonna go jack him up.
I was just gonna go check him out.
Hey, you ripped
Oh,
my
what is
water
it?
bottle. No.
Hey, take it away from the porch, kids. Come on now.
Right? We're innocent bystanders.
Oh, you got water on your butt. No, let me see it.
Wes, say hi.